In this tutorial, we'll cover how to quickly refine and label sections for a song. We'll illustrate this using the song Rosanna from Toto's fourth album. Before we start labeling sections, we need to verify the song tempo and ensure the bar positions are aligned to the correct beat before proceeding. Songmaster detected the tempo as 83 beats per minute. Let's enable the metronome and listen a bit. This seems reasonable, however the song can also be felt in double time at twice this tempo. Let's double the tempo and listen. This also sounds acceptable, so let's go with the faster 166 beats per minute. Alright, since this song has vocals, having the lyrics might help us to correctly label the sections. Songmaster can import lyrics for most popular songs. Go to the Song Info tab and click the Download Lyrics button. In my case, the audio file has the title, album, and artist stored as metadata, so I don't need to enter anything. If your song doesn't have metadata, you'll need to type these in yourself. It's important to use the official names for all three fields to ensure the proper lyrics are found. Now let's put meaningful labels to the sections. This song starts with drums and is obviously the intro, so let's rename it intro by right-clicking on the marker and selecting Replace Text with Intro. The rest of the band comes in at bar 5 of the intro. So to mark where the band comes in, I'm going to add a section marker at bar 5. To add a marker, hold Alt on Windows, Option on Mac, and click at bar 5. Now change the name of the first marker to indicate it is drums only. Double-click to edit the marker and type in Intro Drums. The intro groove continues into the verse, which starts at bar 13, so add a marker there, and change it to verse. What about section D? For this section, they modulate to the key of F, so it could be a new section, but let's hold off naming it. What should we label A? Again, I'm not sure, so let's listen to the next section. Okay, B is the chorus. But first, let's adjust the start of the chorus by a couple of bars. Now change all sections labeled B to chorus. A quick way to do this is to double-click the marker. Now, before we change the text, click Change All with Same Text. Then select Chorus from the dropdown. Notice in the overview that there are now 3 chorus sections. Since that's the chorus, section A must be the pre-chorus. So we can change all sections labeled A to pre-chorus. Going back to D, I'm going to say this is a continuation of the verse and just delete it. Okay, section C is the verse again. And D is part of the verse, so we don't need it. That's the pre-chorus. And the chorus. Then we start a synth solo. And guitar solo. All right, now we have adjusted and assigned labels for all the sections in the song. In the next part of this series, we'll look at handling time signature changes.